Okay, so this is very exciting. What I've got here is a spark photon attached to a little 2.4 gigahertz radio antenna, and the spark photon is speaking Wi-Fi to my wireless access point, which is just over there. And then plugged into the spark photon, I've got a little Y cable because I'm giving power to the spark photon using this 5-volt BEC, so plenty of amps there. And it's being powered by this 3-cell lithium polymer battery, which is being monitored by this little battery buzzer thing, but that's not important. So I'm giving also 5 volts to this servo, and the servo signal wire is connected to A4 on the spark photon by means of this little white cable. What does this actually all mean? It means that this little spark photon is an internet connected servo. So I can do things like curl -x post with my access token and the endpoint of my spark photon, calling a function called goToPos with a parameter that I pass to it. And if I just go up here and change the parameter to say 180 degrees and press enter, it moves, which basically means I've just built an internet connected servo.